Hi guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanika and I create videos about makeup, skincare and curly hair care. If you're new here, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. For the longest time, I've been tackling skincare concerns such as dark spots, blemishes and dull skin. So I've always been on a lookout for products that will help with these issues, and I've also been keeping up with ingredient trends that work and some of them don't work on my skin. While doing some research a while ago, I came across an interesting ingredient called Glycolic Acid, which is used by dermatologists around the world for anti-spots and brightening treatments. What makes this ingredient so powerful in skincare is that it belongs to a family of molecules called Alpha Hydroxy Acid. It's the lightest and smallest molecule in the family and works at two levels. It penetrates deep into your skin to remove melanin buildup cell by cell, which helps in reducing your dark spots. It also works on the surface by removing dead skin cells, revealing bright and beaming skin.
2 weeks later.
So I was really intrigued and wanted to try out this ingredient because I've been facing dullness and dark spots for quite some time now, but I was unable to find the right product in the market. Now I have the perfect solution as L'Oréal Paris has just launched their Glycolic Bright range. So I got my hands on them. I was really excited to try out the products not only because of the ingredient but also because L'Oréal Paris is the most trusted international brand with science-based products.
This range has a cleanser. They also have a serum and a day cream with SPF along with a night cream as well.
But today we're going to be talking about the Glycolic Bright Serum because serums are the most potent skincare solutions out there. So moving on to what the product is all about.
The Glycolic Bright Serum.
First off, I really wanted to say I absolutely love the packaging. It looks so clean and classy with the two-tone effect, and the serum smells heavenly.
I love the texture. It feels lightweight, non-sticky and absorbs quickly into the skin.
This product claims that it reduces 5 years of dark spots in just 2 weeks to reveal bright skin. So guess what? I've been testing this out for 2 weeks and I've noticed a visible reduction in my dark spots. And my skin is also looking brighter. It is validated by the L'Oréal Paris International Council of Dermatologists, which has leading dermatologists from around the world. With that, it has 1% glycolic acid, and it is completely safe and suitable for home and daily usage. It is clinically, consumer and dermatologically tested.
Let me show you how the serum works its magic. After using the cleanser on your dry and clean face, you can apply the serum from the dropper directly onto your skin and then massage in circular and crowning motion.
Dermatologists recommend that whenever you use glycolic acid in the morning, it's best to apply sunscreen before stepping out.
So here L'Oréal Paris has got us covered. After the serum, you can apply the day cream which has SPF 17. Just gently massage it into your skin and we are done. Here's a quick before and after result of using the serum for 2 weeks religiously.
Even after you've noticed a marked difference in your dark spots, you should continue to use the serum because dark spots are formed every day due to UV exposure and also with hormonal changes as we grow older.
This full range is enriched with glycolic acid and is great if you are looking for an expert product for dark spots and dullness.
It reduces 5 years of dark spots in just 2 weeks to reveal bright skin. And I myself have seen a huge improvement in my skin within the last 2 weeks or so.
The 15 ml bottle is for Rs 399 and the 30 ml one is for Rs 749, which is very affordable for a daily use product with glycolic acid.
Rest of the prices are mentioned in the description box below. Leaving all the links for you guys so that you can also try out this range. I highly recommend you guys this range as I have found my dermat for dark spots.
So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I will see you guys in my next one.